So today we are going to make mutton kosha or mutton mango. It's a very popular mutton curry, Bengali mutton curry recipe, and it's very yummy to taste and very delicious. And also it gives you a well-deserved break from your normal lamb gravy or mutton gravy. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for our recipe today. So you can see the list of the ingredients in the video description box. Now first take the onions, add dry red chilli, green chilli and ginger garlic paste. Now grind it to fine paste. Keep it aside till further usage. Now take the mutton pieces and break the mutton pieces with the help of fork so that they can absorb all the flavors well. Add yogurt and add coriander powder as well as turmeric powder and salt. Now add half of our onion garlic paste to it. Keep the other half aside till further usage. Now add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Now give it a good mix and coat the mutton pieces well. After coating the mutton pieces, leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, but 2 hours will be better. Take the remaining oil in a wok or in a pressure cooker. Once heated, add all the whole spices, that means black pepper, cinnamon stick and green cardamom, as well as bay leaves and cloves. Now let it heat for some time, maybe for around 1 or 1.5 minutes, or till it start releasing the aroma. Once it releases the aroma or start crackling, add sugar. Sugar will give the nice color to the gravy and also some good sweetness. Now add our remaining onion paste into it. Now let it fry for 4 to 5 minutes or when oil starts separating, add our marinated mutton pieces to it. Now give it a good mix. After mixing, let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. More than 10 minutes and mutton pieces has almost released its water. So now add water as per your gravy. After mixing, we'll close the cooker. And after closing the cooker, we will turn the flame to high and wait for 5 whistles. First on high, plus 4 are on low flame. Open the cooker and switch on the flame. And also if you are adding potatoes, then add the golden fried potatoes now and give it a mix. Add garam masala. Give it a mix. Now let it cook for 30 seconds. Now switch off the flame and we'll transfer our mutton kosha or mutton mango curry or gravy to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our mutton kosha or mutton mango mutton gravy ready to eat. So transfer it to the serving bowl and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So you can enjoy it with roti, chapati or steamed white rice. Guys, if you like the recipe, then please do like our video. We'll see you again very soon with a new dish, with a new recipe. So enjoy your mutton kosha, that means lamb gravy, and we'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night.